Meaning of dumps.
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 Dumps. The term dumps can have multiple meanings depending on the context. In computing, it could refer to a copy or transfer of data from one storage device to another. It could also refer to a software crash or malfunction that causes the system to stop working. Outside of computing, dumps could refer to a place where trash or waste is disposed of. Additionally, in slang, dumps could mean feelings of sadness or depression. Overall, the meaning of dumps can vary widely depending on the situation it's being used in.